Serbia hopes to reach agreement on supplies of Russian helicopters in the near future, Serbian President Aleksandar Vučić said on Tuesday after talks with Russian President Vladimir Putin. "We spoke with Russian officials about our further military technical cooperation. Serbia is interested in having more helicopters. We are confident that an agreement on this matter will be reached in the near future," he said. Earlier, Vučić told TASS his country planned to buy at least 6 Russian military transport helicopters and air defense systems. This issue is being negotiated by Serbian specialists and Russia's arms trade Rosoboronexport. In October, the Serbian Air Forces received 6 MiG-29 fighter jets provided by Russia as military technical assistance. Along with MiG-29 fighter jets, Russia's assistance to Serbia will include 30 T-72 tanks and 30 BRDM-2 combat patrol vehicles. Apart from that, the sides are discussing supplies of Buk M1 and Buk M2 missile systems and Tunguska surface-to-air gun and missile systems.